Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the next video of our geography series. Okay, and as we have discussed various types of climate, so continuing to that, today we will be discussing the China type of climate. China type of climate. Before starting, I must add one thing that please do make notes because the notes you will make will help you during revisions. So please do make notes and revise them. So let's start with the features of China type of climate and then we will understand in which parts of the world they are found with the help of map of world. Okay. So let's start with the features. So China type is relatively wetter biome compared to Mediterranean type. The China type is relatively wetter biome than Mediterranean type. Okay, this is Mediterranean type. Okay, here also you will find that rainfall is throughout the year. The rainfall in China type you will find it is throughout the year, and this type of climate is generally subdivided into three types. So that we have to understand. So it is generally subdivided into three subtypes. And the first one here is the East China type. East China type. So you will see that in East China type there is rainfall all the year. Rainfall all year. Secondly, here you will find temperate monsoons. Temperate monsoons. Tropical cyclones or depressions are formed. Tropical cyclones, or you can say depressions, also known as typhoons in these regions, are formed. And due to monsoon climate, temperate monsoons, you will find a huge amount of rice is produced in these regions. Okay, that is why China is one of the leading producers of rice. So this is the first subtype, that is East China type. Now we will see about the second subtype, that is Gulf type. Second subtype is the Gulf type. So in Gulf type you will observe that these are generally found in Gulf of Mexico region. Gulf of Mexico. It was also in news right now due to the President Trump's proposal of renaming Gulf of Mexico to Gulf of America. So could be a question in coming years. Okay. So but that is different thing. So Gulf type generally found is Gulf of Mexico region. Here you will also find rainfall all around the year. Rainfall all year. Here warm ocean current can be observed. Warm ocean current, and these we all know that in these regions Florida current is found. Florida current, and this Florida current is a warm ocean current. Here also tropical cyclones or depressions are usually found, and here these are named as hurricanes. Here you will find the cultivation of tobacco. In these regions you will find the cultivation of cotton. So this was about Gulf type of climate. Now the third one is the natal type. Third one is the in natal type climate. So these are China type only, but in southern hemisphere. China type in southern hemisphere. Here also you will find that rainfall all year due to the closeness to sea, closeness of the region to sea, or you can say closeness to ocean. So this was three types of China type of climate we should know. Okay, subtypes of China type of climate. Now with the help of world map, you will locate the various regions where East China type is found, where Gulf type is found, and where natal type is found. So just make a rough world map. North America, this is South America. I'm just making a rough world map. Okay, do not judge me for it. This is our Africa. This is our India. And this will be Australia. Okay, so we will see where these types of climate is found. So first of all, we will see the about East China type. So East China type is generally this region, the Chinese region. Here you will find East China type, that is east of China, East China type. Now Gulf type is generally found in this region, the Gulf of Mexico region we have just discussed. Gulf type you will find here. Okay. Now we will see about natal type. So white one will be the natal type. So we all know that natal type is nothing but China type only in the southern hemisphere. So natal type is found first of all in this region. Okay. In Paraguay, okay, Uruguay. So in these regions you will find the southern natal type. Here these are known as maize belt. Huge amount of maize is produced in this region. Okay, and another natal type you will find here in the South African region, Southern African region. So here it is generally known as natal type. Okay, so from here the name is derived, that is natal type. And here you will find the cultivation of sugarcane. You will also find the natal type in here Sydney region, in around Sydney. Here you will find a huge amount of eucalyptus is grown commercially. Eucalyptus. Okay, I think you all have seen eucalyptus trees, and that is native to Australia only. So this is the various regions of the world where China type climate is found. We have already also discussed the East China type, Gulf type, natal type, that is a China type in Southern Hemisphere region. So I think this was all for today. I hope you understood the various important facts about China type. So that is all for today. If you like it, please press the like button. Please do share and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on a regular basis, and if you like, if you share, if you subscribe, it motivates us to make more such videos for you regularly. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you. So many of you, one thing I must add here, that many of you would be questioning that we are not getting going into that much depth about understanding these types of climate, because if I get in that much of depth, there are huge amount of climates, okay, and you never know which would be asked in examination. So instead of going that much in depth, you should know about the basic understanding of this climate so that you can eliminate options in the examinations and mark answers. So that is why I'm not going in that much depth, because then remembering every climate in that depth would be very difficult. So just remember the important features, just remember where those are found, and I think by using your common sense there, you can mark your answers. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.